Hello, my name is Raguraman. I would like to tell you about changes to the color functionality in Oasys 19 Primer. Previously in Primer, there were only limited collection of predefined colors. Apart from these core colors, the users were also able to define their own color using the color wheel. In version 19 Primer, the list of core colors have been increased to 30. Users can now define up to 150 user-defined colors using the color wheel. This functionality is similar to the user color function present in D3plot and THIS from previous versions. Options like color by model, color by include file have been retained from the previous primer versions. They can be found under the quick pick options. I would like to give a quick demonstration for choosing a color from the new color palette. User can now choose a color from the list of core 30 colors, or they could choose a color from their own list of user-defined colors, or they could go with an option like color by include, color by material, or color by model. I would like to choose a core color first. I would also like to give an example for choosing an option like color by include. So looking at the model, it might not be apparent which part belongs to which include file. So if I just do a quick screen grab of the model and then choose the option color by include, it becomes pretty obvious which part belongs to which include file. After defining their own colors using the color wheel, if the user wishes to save them, they can do so by clicking on the Save Colors button at the top of the panel. The colors get saved to a preference file, which allows users to use them for future sessions. These saved colors can be used across the Oasys suite. Here is a quick demonstration for saving a user-defined color. Users can create their own color by clicking on the plus button and by using the color wheel. After choosing a color, they can save it by clicking the Save Colors button. It could either be saved to the installed directory or the home directory. Thank you.